I want to say that I'll be trying to get this place done the next few weeks. It's kind of been more or less an on and off project, but yeah, progress is going forward at the very least, and not backwards. Hoping I can get the ceiling light, well, the other ceiling light in. I'm wanting to put some lights right here, but I may want, like with the template to mount these things, I may want to like mount like another 2x4 right here, just because I really want it to be really sturdy, but that shouldn't be too much of an issue. So even if I had to work a little bit into evenings, I still got these lights. So yeah, more or less things are almost done. So yeah, once I get all the texturing done, I'll be moving my CNC machine right there, and then along this wall here I'll have some 3D printers and other things, so for this little maker space. So hopefully all that goes good. And I do have my electrical through. I'm pretty sure there would have been better ways to make these holes for the outlets, but they're there now. But I'm pretty sure there's a better way of doing it. I got a little fridge in here right now, so I can have some cold drinks as I'm working in here. And of course the AC in here to kind of help it be standable. And although in hindsight, given the length of this 10 by 20 shed, probably would have been a better idea to mount it on that wall or the one behind me. So, but it's already mounted here, so it will work that way. If I need to add some more airflow, it shouldn't be too hard to do. But yeah, so far so good. Hoping to have more progress done so that I can start moving in my equipment. Yeah, it's coming along together now. Thanks for watching.